Welcome back to Huan, where we bring you the latest insights into the world of finance and investments. Today, we're diving deep into LUNR, the rising star in the world of cryptocurrencies. LUNR, powered by Lunarcrush, has been making waves in the crypto market, and we're here to uncover why. What is LUNR? LUNR, short for Lunarcrush, is a unique platform that provides social insights for cryptocurrency investors. It aggregates data from various social media platforms, including Twitter, Reddit, and news articles, to gauge the market sentiment and social activity surrounding different cryptocurrencies. Key features of LUNR. Social sentiment analysis. LUNR utilizes advanced algorithms to analyze social media activity and sentiment, providing investors with valuable insights into market trends and potential investment opportunities. Community engagement. The platform fosters a vibrant community of crypto enthusiasts, allowing users to interact, share insights, and collaborate on investment strategies. Real-time data. LUNR provides real-time data updates, ensuring investors stay informed about the latest developments and market movements. LUNR token, LNR. LUNR also introduced its native utility token, LNR, which plays a crucial role within the platform ecosystem. Holders of LNR enjoy various benefits, including access to premium features, voting rights on platform upgrades, and incentives for active participation. Why invest in LUNR? Data-driven insights. LUNR provides data-driven insights that empower investors to make informed decisions, giving them a competitive edge in the volatile crypto market. Growing community. With a rapidly growing community of users and supporters, LUNR has established itself as a trusted source of social insights in the crypto space. Innovative technology. Leveraging cutting-edge technology, LUNR continues to enhance its platform, introducing new features and functionalities to meet the evolving needs of crypto investors. Conclusion. In conclusion, LUNR is revolutionizing the way investors approach cryptocurrency investments. With its advanced analytics, community engagement, and innovative technology, LUNR stands out as a promising player in the crypto market. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your crypto journey, LUNR offers valuable tools and resources to help you navigate the exciting world of digital assets. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of finance and investments. Until next time, happy investing. Feel free to customize the script according to your style and preferences. Let me know if you need further assistance. Message chat can make mistakes. Consider checking.